Welcome back to this course. We are going to explore the interface of Excel window. The first section you see on Excel is that after the Excel logo here is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is an area that enables you to place a shortcut to a command that you will be working in regular basis while working with Excel. For example, if you click on this arrow that is pointing down, you will see there's some command you can place on the quick access toolbar. For example, if you want to easily access the save functionality, you click on save. It is going to be placed on the quick access toolbar. Anyone you select here will be placed on the quick access toolbar. The one that are checked, all these commands that are checked are the one that are showing on the quick access toolbar. As you can see, you will see undo and redo is already placed there, and we will also place the save. You can also click on the new, and the new shortcut will be placed on the quick access toolbar. If you want to remove the command, you can click on it again, it will be removed. If you want to add it, you just toggle it by clicking on it and it will be added. All these commands are the one that you can add, that Excel has been placed for you by default, and you can add it. You can click on open, then each time you click on open, you can be able to select and open a new workbook. If the command you are looking for is not here, okay, if it is not among the listed command, all you need to do is to click on more commands. As you click on more command, you will have the list of command you can access here, okay, the quick access toolbar commands. For example, if you want to place the paste, okay, if you want to place the paste on the quick access toolbar, all you need to do is to select the paste and click add. As you add it and click it, you can see it has been added on the quick access toolbar, this section here. Then you click OK, and now you can see the paste option here, okay. So that is how to add a command that is not available in the quick access toolbar. Each time you want to add a command that is not available among the listed command here, you just go to the more command, then you can just search for the command you want to add on the quick access toolbar and select it and click add. For example, if I want to add save as, and click add, and you can see I have the save and also save as, and click OK, and now I have the option the save as has been added on the quick access toolbar. That is how to use the quick access toolbar. In the next video, we are going to explore more of the interfaces of the Excel window.